might think I have a job as like a construction worker.
No.
My dad got me.
Dexter.
I've wanted one for like a year or so.
Hi, Boots.
So.
Hi, Fiji.
And I'm wearing his.
Come here, Boots. Come here, Boots. Come here.
I hate this one because it gets me off fucking bitch.
She just nibbled on my finger. Hi, Piper. Hi, Fiji. Piper. Hi. Here, Fiji. Here, Fiji.
You're getting better.
Come here, you timid little girl.
Like a highlighter. I know that.
Hi, Boots.
Yeah. Why is everyone wearing my jacket vest? It's getting weird.